Here we have the Depstech, D-E-P-S-T-E-C-H rotary tool. Now, here we go. Got the case opened up right here. Now I'm going to try to stay out of the USB-C type connector. Some people call this a router guide, safety guard. And we have a container full of, now in this accessories are several cutoff wheels, some sanding drums, polishing pads. We have some sandpaper here, a diamond coated grinding wheel, got some more sanding drums here, got some more brass collets, more cut-off wheels, and an assortment of other accessories in here. Now I'm hoping there's a wrench in here. Let's go through this real quick. There should be a wrench. Yes, there is. It's on the bottom. So let me take all these out. Pull out this wrench down here. There we go. Just the ordinary rotary tool wrench. Okay, the tool itself. Here we go. It's an oval shaped, not round like the other tools. More of an oval shape. Down here at the grip is round. Here's the off and on button. Speed control back here in the back. And the collet lock button right here. Okay, to install an accessory, hold down the collet lock button. Open this up. There is already a collet on the inside here. And it should be a 1-inch shank size. There we go. So to put a accessory in, you put this collet nut back on. Just pick out the size or the one that you're going to use. For this one, we're going to use this carving bit. It's round. It's got a round head on it. So we're going to put it in. Got several vent holes, air circulation, and you got a hook back here. If you want to hang it on some kind of hanger that you might have, and the charging C ports right here on the end. So, not too bad. Depstech written right here. Cordless tool model DC08. Doesn't feel too bad. Light enough weight. Let's see how this handles in carving. Now this is the old piece of, looks like poplar or oak. This old piece of oak. I'm going to turn it on. We're going to start out on It's not too heavy in this back end. Of course it's going to be heavier because the battery's back here, but it's not uncomfortable to use at all. Reasonably priced. Should be plenty of power to do what we need to do. So, Depstech. There we go. Depstech rotary tool.